Good morning, Chuck, Soy Mafia, Billy, here in That Phanom, Thailand. That Phanom, Thailand. Merry Christmas to everybody. Today is Christmas Eve here in Thailand. I'm gonna take you guys to a Thai-style Christmas party. Yeah, starts about 5:30 this evening. They're gonna have a parade, gonna have lots of food. Free food, which is always important. Show them the other side. Very cool, huh? Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. This is our local, we have a church. This is actually 3 houses down from our house is a church. So in case you didn't know that. But anyway, it'll be super fun. I hope you guys come with us. Yeah, good morning.
ในงานก็มีโรงทานอาหารฟรีนะครับก็
Christmas
มีการสอยดาวนะครับมีสอยดาวมีรางวัลกันมากมาย
The advertising truck. One thing I really love about Thailand, and one thing that's made my life easier in Thailand, is this day-to-day. Thai people, they don't overthink a whole lot. It's aggravating for some of us foreigners because we always like to look ahead. But, you know, actually, this has been 3 years since I've lived here, and my time has really kind of just come to a standstill. Time didn't go by fast for me in the last 3 years because I spent my time always thinking about the future, the future, the future, the future, and I just forgot about the day, and it would just go by quick. I lived my life for the weekends, you know, and the week would go by pretty quick. And yeah, now I just live my life day to day. I try not to think about too many things, just like Thai people do, and not try to overthink everything. So anyway, Merry Christmas. And I liked it. People come and try to sell you stuff at your house all the time. Oh, Billy's friend. She's going to take him on a trip? Oh, that's Faye's friend. I was going to say, she's kind of pretty. It's good for Billy. Maybe a little older than Billy. Maybe a little older than Billy. So maybe that's what he needs. Well, I think today I need to change my Thai language board. I haven't changed it in a while. So what I usually do is I write down some words that are important for me to try to remember, and then I try to use them throughout the day. And if I feel like I can look at this board and feel comfortable with remembering, then I'll change it up into something else. So I think it's been up there. This has actually been up there, I think, since before we went on our USA trips. Anyway, let's change it. Okay, a lot of people say they just use their telephone for like Google Translate, and there's a lot of other applications out there too to help with that. I think it's important to do that if you can't speak any Thai to try to help, but the Google Translate and the way Thai people talk sometimes are totally different, and whenever you try to say something, usually our sentences are really too far in depth. Okay? Thai people really don't talk like how we talk, so you've got to try to say it in Thai, in English like a Thai person would talk, but their speaking language really doesn't translate over very well with Google Translate. So I'm going to give you an example. So I want to say, a lot of times I like to ask the kids in the neighborhood if they know how to say a certain word in English, and I like to ask them that. So I have sometimes I forget to say the word correctly. So what I'm doing is I'm writing down some words that I've been struggling with to try to remember, so I can look at them and go out and practice throughout the day. But let me show you an example of a word where Google totally screws this up in the translation. So I want to ask somebody, how do you say cat in English? So let's see what Google translates that to. แมวภาษาอังกฤษพูดว่าอย่างไร
What do English cats say?
So Google translates it into what do English cats say? So that means nothing to us, right? So sometimes when we say something in English and they look at it like, I don't know, it means nothing to them too because it translates kind of weird. So that's just an example. Maybe you might get a strange look when you're trying to say something to convert it into Thai language. Like, I don't know. Anyway, just thought I'd share that. Well, Paige is, she got an itemized list of all the stuff that we got for the school and the Christmas party with the donations and all that. She said we spent, we had 85,000 baht. Very awesome. And we got about 23,000 left. And we're going to use that for the Children's Day celebration next month on the 11th. Oh yeah, we can't go to Bangkok because, well, after that for sure. So talking about our next trip. But we got the school stuff, the kids, the local kids stuff, and the stuff that people donated for the mafias and the little Christmas party that we're having here. So we're gonna talking about getting them some uniforms for their band for the Children's Day, something that they can keep there at the school and wash for every year. So yeah, very cool. We got one more thing we need to buy, a big ball. One of the kids like to play with Paige's bouncy ball, so they have one that's not so big at the 20 baht store. That's the last thing that we got to get. I can't wait to get this place cleaned up so I can park my vehicle in here one day. But this is where my father-in-law keeps all of his engines. They totally rebuild all of these engines. He has them shipped from Japan and they make them brand new. There's a Santa outfit. Oh, that one got some handle on it.
For kids, I guess.
Now they have big trees here.
มีช้างด้วยมีช้างด้วย
Ball.
บอลใหญ่
Ball.
ใหญ่ไหมล่ะ มีไซโต้ด้วย มีใครด้วยครับ ชอบไหมล่ะ ชอบค่ะยกไหวไหมยกไหวไหม
We're here to the church before it gets dark. Paige got her horns on.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. I don't know where he got that outfit at. Looks like it might fit me.
พุธด้วยนะครับวันนี้ถือเป็นวันแห่งความสุขนะครับเป็นวันคริสต์มาสอีฟนะครับกับผมนายธนิโชตินะครับแสงสองสวัสดิ์นะครับรับหน้าที่เป็นพิธีกรนะครับในการวันนี้นะครับ
Sir, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Sir อยู่ไหนฮะ Sir อยู่ไหนนครพนมนครพนมอ๋อซอยดาวนี่เปิดตลอดเลยทันมีไหมมีเดี๋ยวมาอยู่ครับผม She teaching me Vietnamese.
เวียดนาม
That lam.
แดบล้
That lam.
ำแดบล้
That lam. I don't know what that means. I think it means sexy. Sexy.
จะไปกับลูกชา
Okay.
ไปกับลูกชาน้ามินมาตรงนี้มาจับมือข้างหน้าเร็ว
ดาวนี้ก็เปิดตลอดนะครับตอนนี้ก็เปิดแล้วนะครับท่านผู้ใดนะครับชาวคริสต์ชนหรือว่าชาวพุทธนะครับอยากจะร่วมสนุกนะครับอยากจะร่วมทำบุญไม่ตั้งตู้รับบริจาคนะครับเพราะวันนี้เราถือว่าเรามาร่วมสนุกในวันคริสต์มาสนะครับหรือว่าเป็นการเฉลิมฉลองนะครับวันนี้เป็นคริสต์มาสอีฟนะครับก็เป็นวันที่4นะครับหลังจากเที่ยงคืนนี้ก็จะเป็นวันคริสต์มาสนะครับผม
มาจับก่อนเลยไม่ให้เธอถ้าน้องเหรอ
อีกคน3 อัน1 2 3เอา3 อันเอาอีก
เอา3 อัน
ระวังไหมเอาวางไว้เลยค่ะ
วาง
ฟิวระวังฟิว3ขายมันเยอะมาก4 อันเราพาเรียกว่า6
4 อันเลย
มันคือกระดาษที่ต้องควรในอันนี้1เอากระติกข้าวเอาอะไรเอาเปล่า
อันสี่
กระปุกละ10 นะ
5
อีก5 อัน อันนี้6 4 อัน
4 อัน
เบอร์ 1มาม่า
เบอร์ 1มาม่า
ดูไปแล้ววางแช่เอาเลยเอาหมดนั่นแหละกำลังเฮ็ดได้ยังไงไม่ได้เฮ็ดให้มาวางแผนยุ่มอยู่แค่ไหน
ก็มีอะไรลิปสติกไปเจ้า
ค่ะ on that. Bling, 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 bling.
ด้วยอ่ะไอ้ลูกโป่งไม่เอาใช่ไหมไม่เอาลูกโป่งเหรอ
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas ค่ะ
Okay, kapiek sen.
ก๋วยเตี๋ยว
Oh, it's kway tiao. Oh. ตาไม่ดี
และสติกับท่านด้วย
ให้เรามอบสันติสุขของพระคริสต์เจ้าให้แก่กันและกัน
หนังสือเพลงหน้า127
Guys, that's it. End of the Christmas Eve party celebration in That Phanom. We just want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for all the awesome new subscribers this year. We got many more awesome videos to come, so please subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to click like. You guys have an awesome Christmas, a happy New Year. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Say Merry Christmas, Mafia. Merry Christmas.
Bye.